Hello friends, I'm Rajveer and today I'm going to the Southern Market in Delhi, which is very much famous for shopping, and since Diwali is around the corner, so my friends and I have decided to go to that market and explore, and let's see what we could purchase from that market. So right now I'm at the elevated highway which connects Ghaziabad to Noida and Delhi, and it is extended up to 10 kilometers. And right now I'm at elevated highway, so be with me. And friends, just to update you, like if you ever get a chance to come to this elevated highway, I must tell you one thing, that this highway has one cut on the either side. So once you are on this elevated highway, and if you feel like that you have taken a wrong turn or you have taken the wrong flyover and you should not be coming here, so you won't get you'll be getting only one cut to take left, and so that you could get back to again to your own route, or whatever your destination is. And it is around 12:30. So if you ever plan to go to Southern Market, and it is always advisable to go early in the morning, because at this point of time it becomes really overcrowded. So when you don't want to be yourself around a lot of crowds, so I would suggest you to be in that market as early as possible. So you could visit there maybe at 6, 7, even I'm not sure, but some of my friends say me that this market starts operating as early as 6 a.m. I guess. My friend must have reached at the railway station. Sorry, that's the metro station, and I'm going to the nearest metro station, which is Kaushambi. And because I won't be going by bike over there, because I don't want to be stuck with all those traffic jam. And obviously that metro is very much convenient, and it is much safe.
So friends, this video was supposed to be uploaded quite a long way back, but this video couldn't make it to YouTube channel because I lost the another video which I shot after that. So today I have decided to upload it because it would be helpful to those who are about to purchase SJCam camera, and I just need to show them like how does it shoot the video. And to my viewers, I must tell you that I'm not using any external mic. Everything is being recorded through internal mic, which is quite good, as you can see. So that's it.
To my left it's Indrapuram, and to my right I would say it's Vasundhara or Vaishali. As I have already told you that this is 10 kilometers long flyover. And I don't ride my bike over 60, and if needed I go up to 70, and I don't drive and I don't ride over 70 kilometers, just for safety reasons. spite of so many traffic rules which has recently been updated or implemented, I could still see people are doing tripling on two-wheeler. And this is elevated patrol maintenance vehicle. So lots of construction is going on in Delhi, NCR, and I don't know whether you could see that mountain of garbage. So right now we are at nearby. This is the market where you could purchase chicken and the mutton. Towards the left, that is market which I'm talking about, where you could get the chicken, mutton, and this is the very much famous market where you could purchase the raw chicken, meat, and lots of other seafood items. But I'm just forgetting, the name of this market. From here, I would have to go to right. The peoples are completely disobeying the traffic rule, and there is a traffic cop as well, but he seems to be completely confused as red lights are not working. My friend doesn't seem to have reached to the metro station. Otherwise, I would have received so many calls from him. So as of now, I haven't received any calls, so it means he is on the way to the metro station. Right now, I'm at Vaishali, or I would say Dower area. Now I would be taking left from here. This is the road which will lead you to Anand Vihar directly from here. So, but my friend is coming at metro station, so I'm just about to reach there. Shambi metro station, where both of us have decided to meet. So he has not yet reached, so I have arrived earlier than him. What I'll do, I'll be waiting for him and I'll make a call to him to make sure he is coming on time. So this is the parking area, and I just park my bike at one side, and